CAC is strategic into pre-dimensioning in the very early phase of the development of a car.
Thank you, Pascal, for accepting this interview. Can you please introduce yourself, your role, and your company?
Pascal Pancrace, working in Renault company, making cars. There is two sides of my work. One is converting the solvers. I am responsible to adopt and to convert our activities in CAA, coming from historic solvers into 3D experience platform as a maximum. It's a huge job with expert. And another one is introducing new processes.
What are the challenges you're facing today in these particular tasks?
We should do it quickly.
Okay. How does concept structure engineering is bringing solution?
The soonest we invest, the lowest we invest. Okay, late modification is always very, very expensive. Early dimensioning is strongly cheap. CAC is strategic into pre-dimensioning in the very early phase of the development of a car.
Trying to anticipate as much as possible, of course.
Yes, identifying not giving the definitive dimension, but identifying very soon what is impossible, and make sure that we are not going into not into a wrong way or a no-way path.
What aspect of concept structure engineering impress you the most?
Stacking. Stacking, you click and poof, you have the stack. Wow. Just okay. Extraordinary.
Okay.
And now this morning we discovered the association of the flange, which is quite magic because you are creating a part and the part is going to the previous one, adapting to it with the curve, with a difficult surface most of the time, and the new part you are designing is just adapting on it very easy.
Okay.
So magic.
A smart tool for daily job.
Yes, definitely. And so we have now to put it in a process and then to review our process so that we can use it a maximum to get a maximum of profitability of this.
Yeah, and what impact this product can have on overall process?
We usually are doing dimensioning in the digital development. It is the time when we have a style design, we have an architecture, and then we do the activity to design in fine way parts, defining the thickness, the material, and so on. So this we can do it sooner, let's say globally, so that we make sure that already the design we propose with the first choice of styling will be matching quite easily. Today, it's not so often that we are lucky.
Okay, okay, got it.
It is a lot of time we spend usually, and we will not anymore.
Sure. So dedicate this time for other tasks.
Dedicated this time to creative activity.
Yeah, okay.
With CSA, you don't spend any more time to express your idea. You get your idea just in few seconds.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, good done that.
Amazing. Is there any particular moment in the presentation that impressed you, or any presentation demonstration that?
Yes, the one of David is interesting. So David has built a very good engine for deep learning. I think that maybe we need a little that new HMI, thinking about new HMI to give back the information to a vehicle project team with a good HMI based on these strong solver or tool, and I say engine, okay, mathematical engine. We can have up to 70-80% of adoption.
All right.
No,
Okay.
HMI is very important.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Pascal.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you for accepting this interview.